Pandas, setting column as index with set_index creates a sub-index. Why is it happening and how to remove it? I want to use the first column in a pandas data frame as the row index, so I am trying to do it with pandas.set_index0, in place equals true, but this has the side effect of adding an extra column index. Jupyter Notebook code running with option interactive shell.ast_node_interactivity equals all. Data frame before set_index. Data frame after set_index. The question is, why is there a second index created and how to remove it? The set_index docs don't mention anything about a sub-index being created.
Like it, Scott Boston commented, the index name is shown, which was the column name 0 in your example. If you like to remove it, you can simply use. So your full code would be
algebra.